Don't want to use your real phone number on WhatsApp? Here's a safer way to verify your account. Why avoid using your personal number? Privacy concerns, spam messages, account restrictions. Let's verify WhatsApp without exposing your real number. We'll use a temporary number instead. Create an account. Sign up with your email. No documents, no ID. Add funds to get your number. Balance updated instantly. Choose a payment method. Enter the amount and click Pay. Balance updated instantly. Choose WhatsApp. Select the country and get your temporary number. Select an available number. Your number is ready. Let's copy it. Open WhatsApp. Enter the temporary number. Confirm the number. Wait for the verification code. Code received. Copy the code. Enter the verification code. Paste the code and confirm. Complete your profile. WhatsApp verified. Your real number stays private. Protect your privacy online. Link in description.